telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up? My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music2makeup, where I do all sorts of videos. I do unboxings, giveaways, favorites, tutorials, try-on hauls, personal growth. I got it all. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Boxycharm Premium for the month of September. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Okay, I gotta give like drag queens some props because they can wear like multiple wigs at a time. I'm dying in this one. It's like I'm pouring sweat, and I'm not usually like a big sweater. Well, it's probably because I don't do much to make myself sweat, but unboxing is my exercise. Alright, so let's get in. Oh, I just got a sneak peek. Okay, alright, let's see. Okay, so I did get a duplicate, and alright, so this is the Eloise the Queen eyeshadow palette. So this retails for $46. Since this is a duplicate, I am not going to swatch any for you. If you do want to see some swatches, you can check out my Boxy Luxe unboxing. But here is what it looks like. So this will definitely be going in a giveaway. Alright, the next product is what I was squealing about. Okay, this is the Olay Fat Glow Facial. Yo, you know what? I think I chose this as my choice. So I am like ride or die for the Olay Good Night Glow, which is a sleeping cream. So much that I got the like matching serum, and then when I saw that they had this, the Glow Facial, I was like, yes please. I swear this line of products is amazing. So it says, get flawless skin in a flash with PHAs, the no downtime exfoliating acid, and key ingredients in Olay's first one step at home facial. It says it helps to retexturize. This one-step massage activated facial targets fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and pores. It also hydrates and reveals smoother, instantly more luminous skin, making it the ultimate get ready with me essential for a party ready, no filter necessary Olay glow. Okay, so this retails for $50. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, and this is 1.7 ounces. Alright, the next product is Saturday Skin Pore Clarifying Toner. Okay. So it says, this toner helps to smooth and refine your skin's appearance with an effective dose of 10% glycolic acid. The Pore Control Complex targets pore concerns with a blend of ingredients that help improve the look of balanced, clear skin. Ooh, that's a really pretty bottle. It's a nice glass bottle. Ooh, I'm really excited to try this. I do like Saturday Skin. This is 4.22 ounces, and this retails for $30. Alright, next is, I don't like the name of it. Let's see what it is. It is this Keats Eye Roller. This ice roller is your new at-home facial. Made with high-quality surgical stainless steel, it helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tensions, and headaches. Okay, well I do get sore muscles and headaches. So you put it in your freezer. So it's just like, I guess, all the other rollers we've seen. I don't know how much I believe these actually do anything. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I want to get, if you've tried it and you've like had noticeable results, I would love to hear that, but I don't know. Okay, so here's what this one looks like. I don't know. Did I say if it retails for $18? Okay, well at least it's not saying it's something ridiculous like $118 or something. Oh, I am so excited. Alright, the next product is this Marc Jacobs Enamored High Shine Lip Lacquer. And what is the color? Changes. This is one of my favorite lip gloss formulas, and let me see what the color is. I shouldn't get too excited too quickly. Because I already have it. Changes. Yep, okay. Well, let me swatch the other one for you. So this will be going in a giveaway. Damn, Boxycharm, why are you going to get me excited like that? And then, it is a really pretty color. It's like a duochrome. I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but it is a very unique and pretty color. Okay. And the last product is, this Frank Body Coconut Coffee Scrub. Okay, I don't know, that last coffee scrub I used, I did not like. It was so messy. But this says it's a natural vegan body scrub made with a blend of coffee and essential oils. I'll work my magic on stretch marks, scars, and dry skin to leave you as free as a palm tree. Okay, this retails for $18.95. This is a pretty good amount though, 7 ounces. So, alright, I might try that. So that was my Boxycharm Premium. I did have really high hopes when I first looked in it. I am so excited about the Olay Henriksen and the toner, but the palette was a duplicate. This, I don't know if I believe in. I already have the color of the Marc Jacobs lip gloss, and I'll try this. I mean, so it's not bad. I mean, it's not bad. So my variation box was number 2 if anyone's interested. Let me know what you guys think about this. There'll definitely be some good stuff for an upcoming giveaway, so that's always a good thing, right? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.